Hello, this is a microphone test of the Soundpiece True Air 2. Magsiswitch ako between the True Air 2
and the original wired Apple earphones
para marinig nyo yung difference.
may pagkumadi yung microphone ng
True Air 2, which is expected since
Bluetooth earphones siya,
I am recording these audio clips.
directly on my phone.
Ito namang voice recording na to ay galing sa Zoom. Ito yung Soundpiece True Air 2.
Ito naman yung Apple earphones.
Magiging ganito yung audio nyo kapag nasa online meeting kayo.
Original audio clips lang lahat ng to.
No audio manipulation.
Sana nakatulong yung mic test or comparison na to sa inyo.
Thank you and stay safe.